Minnasan, konnichiwa. Hello everyone. So for today's video, I will be telling you the 10 words that you won't learn in a Japanese school. Why did I say that? Because these are the words that is very embarrassing to ask, even if you have a Japanese teacher. And these words, I would like to show you or tell you these words because these are part of our daily lives and these are actually human wastes. So excuse me to those who are currently eating. And if you have a friend, a Japanese friend, and you are that close enough, that friend of yours, then you may ask these words as well. So for me, I learned this when I live in Japan. That is the time when I actually live in there. So of course, if you're a foreigner and learning the language, it will not be written in the book that you need to know these things. Because I know this is also important things for you to know. Let's start. The first one is onko. Onko means feces. So that is actually the yucky term of feces in Japan. So if it's not so yucky, then you can just say unchi. Okay, unchi. So for the yucky term, which is unko, in Tagalog, for us Filipinos, so that is tae. No? So that's tae. So if not so yucky term, you can just say pupu, right? Nagpupu siya. So just like that. The second one is oshiko. Okay, that is not actually yucky, but in Tagalog that's ihe. So oshiko. So you can actually find this in books if you are in a medical field. Oshiko. Pee or ihe in Tagalog. The third one is hanakso. Hanakuso. This means booger in English and in Tagalog, kulangot. Okay, so that is hanakuso. The next one is mimikuso. So mimi is ear. A while ago we have hana, which is nose. So this time it's mimikuso. So you have an idea already. So this is earwax or pus. In Tagalog, luga. So it's very embarrassing to ask, of course, if you will be asking a teacher, what is luga in Japanese, right? So the next one is yodare. Yodare. In English, this is drool. In Tagalog, laway. Again, that's yodare. The next one is onara. Onara. So this is fart. Okay? In Tagalog, utot. Again, this is onara. So the next word is shakuri. Shakuri. This is actually not an embarrassing word, but when I'm in Japan, I am wondering what is this word. So this means in English, hiccups. Okay, hiccups. In Tagalog, sinok. So for me, it's very important to know this word, hiccups or shakuri. Shakuri. The next one is hanamizu. Hanamizu. In English, snot or dripping nose. So in Tagalog, uhog. Again, that is hanamizu. So again, hana is nose. Our next word is gero. Gero. So this means spew or vomit. In Tagalog, suka. Again, that is gero. And our last one is atama jirami. Again, atama jirami means head louse or in Tagalog, kuto. So that's it for our topic for today, and I hope that you learned something from this video that will help you in your language journey. Minnasan, please don't forget to like this video, share to your friends, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Mata ne minasan!